Welcome back to Politricks, watch. This is sir. You look like Teletubby. Need to take a dip in one of them hot springs there. Not the one them in the Iron Man, you know. Even if you go the one I'm in there, you know, because even if they were nowhere near Iron Man. Even if they nowhere near Iron Man. So forget about the mineral them are Iron Man. But Teletubby, I have to go find some hot water spring somewhere and wash off some crosses. Things look spooky for him and the people them around him right now. Me already tell them, say right now, if you know Teletubby, especially if you are involved in any kind of illicit activities, but you find one bush deep in the Arkansas, I wouldn't go hide. But all him charge them a drop out. One of him, me and Dopey bought them. You to them call Hellgate. Right. He's now at the gates of Airy Heaven. I don't know if it makes sense so tight for me. Cause the butterfly and the wings them already start going up. Right. And it got ready. I'll talk about it. Before we go into that, our Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Carry On M. Not to be confused with Kerry, you know. Right. When I first message you, I said, look YouTuber, you must have Carry On, you know. Nobody mix up with the Carry them. You know yourself, man, Carry On. We not do that. We know better than that. Happy birthday. It's actually a belated birthday. Never dropped a video yesterday. But Carry On it already. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Know say you're tuning in right now. Know all your family and friends them good at tuning in. Cause I know the first shout out. So them time of year, them a look out feet. Them a say, wow, go on, oh look YouTube on a drop on this year. So see it ya. Carry on, big up yourself. One more year on the sun. Wish you many more to come. Talk about Hellgate, no? Gone to Airy Heaven. The irony. Hellgate gone to Airy Heaven. Or is it Yankee Heaven? Because our uncle some place him did, you know. Remember say Irish Saxons just make up them own things, you know. Right, man just come up with them own things. Man just tell us say, well, so what? So what him spend his entire life, right, plundering and doing everything, right, that is as destructive as possible. So what? Right, last week him did pay offering in Ghana Heaven. Airy Heaven. Which in my opinion is hell. The only place worse than Airy Heaven is Yankee Heaven. Right, the only heaven worse than Airy Heaven is Yankee Heaven. Me no want to go this one. Right, me go by the dog them go. I want to go to Dog Heaven. And the Cat Heaven. Right, me take my chance with the Hyena Heaven. Before me take my chance with the Airy and the Yankee Heaven. Vile. I squash chargy. When I'm tapped up, you back them in the streets. When the fly them come out with the wings them on the back, you see like one big white gate gone to paradise. And by the way, all them need to get some of them name. This youth last name is Scotsman. And as for the first name, we have to start learning how to spell before they give you them some of them boasting name, because what is this supposed to be? Antonine? Is this Antonine? Antonaniville? Come on, I go say, don't tell me say this is Antonine, you know. Because the two end them side of each other. Right, make it only be pronounced 9. That would have to be Nine. Right, now we know, say, when we go to a big school, so somebody can correct me. But if me say Ninne, that can't pronounce 9. That have to be Nine. Can a scholar help me? Can somebody from a Capri help me? That's Antonine? Antonini? It has to be studied. Antonini? Scotsman? Start giving you them name that make sense, please. I understand so not try to be bossy and all that. I'm not already. This youth, Hellgate, known for being highly acidic, quick to pop off, quick to fire shot. Them there party. House party be Irish Saxons and Yankee Saxons at the place. But tell you already say, wherever there's more than 4 Somebody going dead for sure. So a night of festivities, Ludi board and all kind of something out of niceness, food and drinks. Within no time, shot start fire. Antoniville, a man na argument, that behave like same chest make out of vibranium. Turn into a situation of kill or be killed and you would kill him. But on him alone get shot. Rounds exchange with Hellgate. Never make it. Remember like 50 Cent say he got hit like I got hit but he ain't breathing. Something like that one. Antonini, Saxon, Squash Chargy is no longer here. Them youth are in Uncle Sam place, celebration a go on. But Irish Saxons merry out the near. Everybody ever show you how bad them is. Everybody ever show you how them run ya so. Them have a much dopey. And everybody afraid of them. Especially you like them, yeah. Them try and use them name and them image to intimidate. But everybody going for it, guy. Some man in the business almost tattoo you want off in your face. That I go only make it easier for your mama come identify you when you lie down on the ground. Tell it to me if you go find one mineral bath in Uncle Sam place. Our next country and all I wash off. Even if you take all 3'2" and 380 pounds of his being and jump in our mineral bath. Wash off some of them crosses there. And them people I Teletubby roll with. Notice the circle around Teletubby are death and destruction. Whether I'm enemies or I'm friends them. Whether I'm Ramos, Shab Snake, Teletubby, World Dog, all them dopey back there. Anywhere them go, you can invest in a funeral home, you must get rich. No wonder Uncle Sam love them Irish Saxons because people who have private prisons and them thing that them no say anywhere them see Irish Saxons and Yankee Saxons, them must name a food. People who have private prisons, nothing to make them happier than hearing say 115 Irish Saxons will gather in a one place. Funeral home man can't stop skinning him teeth when him hear that because him know say him happy get a work by the weekend done. I'm telling already say everything looks spooky with Teletubby. The gun them hold him with, how them hold him with the gun and walk after them hold him with the gun. I just can't understand why nobody can explain to me how youths were. People say the reason why a man do things that cause him left on the corner and at this environment, when him left that environment and go somewhere else, him find back other people in a big environment, him find back other people who are just like him and they want to kill each other. And if which part of them go, don't have that environment, them create it. And if you listen to me. Them dopey batter, whichever ends them left from, and people say, yeah man, just because of the ends. If them left that ends and go to our next country, when I have that environment or that culture, they create it. Even if I look at 10 square mile, that the 10 square mile is spooky, like a dopey show. You could have carried them go Singapore and make them have one look 5 street for themselves. That the 5 street there, spooky, like Friday the 13th. Because they're not taking the poverty and suffering with them. They're taking their culture and mindset with them. So whether it's Florida, whether it's Jane and Finch, whether it's Berlin, whether it's somewhere in Birmingham, whether it's Cayman, Irish Saxons carry them culture and mindset with them. They don't carry hunger and suffering with them. They meet away a war a drive up and down in a Benz a war. They meet away a war of house in a yard and foreign. I know them in a jail house, police have to tell them, say, please stop the chatting. You're in farm in a yard and foreign. How much more name you want to give away? Go easy now, man. Go easy. Has to be studied. Me can a party man near Hellgate. For me, yes, I same name. Me gone back through the gate. Let me tell you how me roll. I'm a dinosaur right now, with a big friend. And like one time in time, we can run 500 meters in a 3.4 seconds. Right now, if we run 50 meters right now, the giants then pop up. So, I for always try to stay ahead of the competition. So from this certain place, I'm say, who that? Who that? Any man answer back and say, yo, oh, I'm a Hellgate. Alright, me going through the gate. Yeah, but take time and get to know him. So, no. No, but sometimes you have to take time and get to know people. As somebody me a look, me not look no man. All thing me need to know is which part my car key is so I can jump in the car and speed off. Good afternoon, kind sir. What's your name? Oh, I'm Hellgate. Okay, well, that's all me need to hear. Guy understands the frequency and energy and anything that is real. Right? And your body have certain things in place. Even though it's intangible, your body have certain little antennas night sometime ago. So and give one warning, but you're still like you're an idiot. Because Winnipeg and tell about, well, you need to get to know everybody in the world. You need to get to know nobody. Right now, I have to walk with WD-40 in my pocket, my giant step. Years me I spend a red one down. Now no more running for do. So I try to avoid it right now. Your name is Hellgate. Through the gate I go. Patreon squad big up on yourself. PIA. I don't know. More life. Vulture squad. See you circling. Bless.